Everybody, this is Jim at SB500chart.com. It is about 3:42 on June 19th, 2014. Markets haven't closed yet, but because of my schedule, I'm doing this a little earlier so I can get it to you shortly after the close as opposed to either late tonight or tomorrow morning. Before we take a look, I just want to remind you that the website and the video are for educational purposes only. Nothing stated at the site or in the video is intended to be used as investment advice. I control lines on charts, but you have to draw your own conclusions from your own research and make investment decisions that are suitable for your personal financial situation. I am not a licensed financial professional. Honest to goodness, I'm just a guy who draws lines on charts. So let's take a look. And one reason why I can do this video a little earlier today is because really I think it's pretty cut and dried what's going on. We closed pretty much near the high of the day, just a fraction under the high of the day yesterday, and then today sold back down in a little bit of a descending wedge pattern that looks like it's now playing out as a bull flag. Now here's the deal. I would think there probably would be a little bit of resistance maybe at about 1960, but once we're through that, more than likely this little flag could very well end up setting up a move that takes us up into the low 1970s. They say that the flag flies at half mast, and what that means is the move that precedes the formation of the flag, that would be this move right here, often is equal to the move that comes out of that pattern. So a lot of times you'll find a pause right at about halfway through. That's one of the reasons why when we look at some of our triangle patterns and wedges, etc., that's one of the reasons why I do that little midline. Because when you snap that midline straight down the middle of the extremes of the action, you often end up with little pauses. I can see one right now on this chart. I see a couple. Right here, we come up, we pause, then we come up again. This move is about equal to that move. When we came up here, we came up, paused, came up in a move that was about equal to that. So you can, it's nothing that I think you could say I'm going to trade on that as a hard and fast rule, but it's definitely something to keep in mind and to be aware of. So guys, I think that's going to be it. We're still looking at our target of 1990. This appears to be a nice setup. Like I said, once we get over that resistance at about 1960, I believe this little pattern right here could be propelling us into the 1970s. That sounds like something from Back to the Future, propelling us into the 1970s. But anyway, look guys, I'm going to cut it short and sweet for today because I've got to get out of here in just a bit. If there was anything that I think was really consequential, I wouldn't do that. I would wait till this evening before I do the video, spend a little bit more time with it. But right now, it's really the same chart as yesterday, same chart as over the weekend. We're just seeing it play out, and I felt that it's worth mentioning how that's playing out. So look, guys, thanks again for watching. Take care.